This is Sarath from Lord's High School. Today we are going to learn a small topic, relation among mean, median and mode. It is very small topic. That's why once we will revise mean, median, mode of ungrouped data, which already we learned in 9th class. That is also once we will revise. Already grouped data you know very well. Grouped data, how to find mean, median, mode about of grouped data you know very well. But once again, just we'll revise about ungrouped data, mean, median, mode. That is nothing but arithmetic mean of ungrouped data. You know very well already. Mean tells about the average of data. Means tells about the average of data. Average of data. It is used to compare the data. It is used to compare the data. To compare the data, we are using mean. The formula for mean is equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of all observations by number of observations. You know very well. Once again, we are revising. Mean of 1, 2, 4, 7. So arithmetic mean is equal to formula is there, sum of all observations by number of observations. That's why 1, 2, 4, 7. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7, sum of the observations divided by number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 is equal to 3, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 by 4, 14 by 4, 14 divided by 4, 4 3s are 12, so 2, keep decimal and at 0, 4 5s are 20. Answer is 3.5. That is the arithmetic mean of the given data. Once again, one more example. Find the mean of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Mean is equal to, again, sum of the observations. Sum of the observations 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 16. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total 8 is equal to 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 42, 50, 52, 56 plus 10, 66 plus 6, 72, 72 by 8, 72 by 8 is equal to 72 by 8 is equal to 72 by 8 is equal to 9. Therefore, the mean of the given data is answer is 9. The first 4 odd natural numbers. First 4 odd natural numbers. Odd numbers, natural numbers. First 4. The first 4 odd natural numbers is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. That is nothing but find the mean of 1, 3, 5, 7. So formula, sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Mean is equal to first 4 odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 by total 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, so that's why 4. Here 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 7, 15 plus 1, 16. 16 by 4 is equal to 4. 4 is the answer. 4 is the required mean. Median for ungrouped data. What is median? Median tells about the middlemost observation. Middlemost observation. Middle. question is example. The following are the marks of 9 students in a class. Find the median. 34, 32, 48, 38, 24, 30, 27, 21, 35. Let us first write in ascending order. Ascending order, you know very well how to write before itself. First 21, the smallest number is 21. The next smallest one is 24. 24. The next smallest one is 21, 24, 27. 27. The next smallest one is 21, 24, 27, 30. 30. The next one is 32. The next one is 34. The next one is 35. The next one is 38. 38. The next one is 48. Total 9 students. Once again, you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Already we know one method. We are using this method. This is very easy. How to do after arranging in ascending order. First one and last one you can see. And this one and this one. This one and this one. This one and this one. The left over is 32. Therefore, median is equal to 32. Median is equal to 32. Median is equal to 32. One more example. Find the median of the daily wages of 10 workers from the following data. 20, 25, 17, 18, 8, 15, 22, 11 and 9 and 14. Check once 10 workers data is there or not. The first step is either we keep ascending order or descending order. So I'm arranging in ascending order. So solution ascending order, first smallest, in this smallest is 8, 8. Next one is 9, 9. Next 11, 11. Next one is 14, 14. Next one after 14, 15. After 15, 17. After 17, 18. After 18, 20. After 20, 22. After 22, 25. After 22, 25. I arrange in ascending order. You know very well how to get median. Very easy method. Cancel the last one. This one and this one. This one and this one. This one and this one. Now, not like before, some we are having two numbers, the middle numbers. So 15 and 17. For that, we have to find the average or arithmetic mean. We have to find the average. So median is equal to 15 plus 17 by 2. 15 plus 17 by 2. 15 plus 15, 30. 32 by 2 is equal to 16. This is the median. Once again, median, the same example 1 and example 2 once again we'll discuss. Why? Because you know the old method, we are arranging in ascending order and we are cancelling here and there. We are getting answer. But as a 10th class students, you must know that formula. What is that formula? Total number of observations. If the total number of observations is equal to, let you take n. If n is odd, then the median is the value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2th observation. If n is even, the median is the average of the arithmetic mean of the value of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation. First of all, we will take, let us check this, you can understand easily. The following are the marks of the same as the old question, before question only. Here, first of all, this process is Same. First you keep in ascending order. Ascending order, what is the first number? Smallest number, 21. 21. After 21, next to 24. After 24, 27. After 27, 30. After 30, 32. 32, 34, 35, 38. 35, 38 and 48. And forget 48. 48. 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Total 9 should be there. Why? Because the 9 students, number of students are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, once you check whether it is in ascending order or not, 21, 24, 27, 30, 32, 34, 35, 38, 48, okay. Already know old method, cancel this side, the last one, first one, like that you will get answer. But as a 10th class students, you must know if what is 9, n is equal to 9, the number of students is 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is very, very important. Here, n is equal to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Already is given. No need to count. If n is equal to 9, find out n is odd or even. Okay. N is equal to 9 is an odd number. If n is odd, what is the answer? The median is the value of, the median is equal to the value of n plus 1 by 2 observation. N plus 1 by 2 observation. What is n value? What is n value? N value 9. 9 plus n is equal to 9. 9 is odd. 9 is odd. So, if it is odd, the median is equal to the value of n plus 1 by 2 observation. N is equal to 9. 9 substitute n is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. That is nothing but 9 plus 1 by 2 means 10 by 2th observation. 10 by 2th observation. So what is 10 by 2? Fifth observation. What is the fifth observation? Let us check. Fifth observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this fifth observation is the median. Therefore, median is equal to 32. Median is equal to 32. Median is equal to 32. Fifth observation. So by using the formula, we have to do like this. Second example, already explained the same example in old method. Now the same example. Here check the data. First, arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. The first smallest number. What is the smallest number? 8. Smallest number 8. Next one is 9. Next one is 9. After 9, 11. After 9, 11. 11 after find out, yes, 14. 14. 14 after 15. 15. Next, after 15, 16 is not there, 17. 17. Next, 18 is not there, yes, is there, 18 is there. 18. Next, 20. Next, 20. 20. 20. 22. 22. The last one is 25. Last one is 25. Check once, total 10 observations should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I arranged in ascending order. Actually, if it is old method you can cancel last one and so you get the answer. Already explained the same sum. Now we are using for formula. If n is odd is completed, now n is even 10. 10 is even number. N is equal to even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, even. If n is equal to 10, what is the formula? If n is even, the median is the arithmetic mean of the values of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation. What is median? Median is equal to AM of or average of arithmetic mean of the values of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observations. So if it first, okay, this you will do later. First, what is n by 2? N by 2 means 10 by 2. And what is n by 2 plus 1? 10 by 2 plus 1. 10 by 2 plus 1 observations. 10 by 2 plus 1 observation. Okay, 10 by 2 tooth observation. 10 by 2th observation in the sense here 5th observation, and 10 by 2 plus 1. 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. 5 plus 1, 6th observation. 6th observations. So finally median is equal to AM of the values of 5th and 6th observations. What is 5th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5th observation. This is 6th observation. So therefore median is equal to average of or arithmetic mean of these two 5th and 6th observation. 5th observation is 15 and the 6th observation is 17. That's why median is equal to 15 plus 17 by 2. That is nothing but 32 by 2 is equal to 16. This is the median. Example, find the median of the following data. By using formula we are going to find. So data is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. First arrange the data in ascending order. Arrange the data in ascending or descending, no problem, but we are always using ascending. That's why first the smallest number is 7. Next one to 7, 9. 7 is completed. 9 is completed. Next 13. Next 15, 17 and 21 and 32. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7. 7 is an odd number. 7 is odd. Then n is equal to 7. Normally you can use the old method and you can cancel first and last like that you can do, but better you learn this method also. This is very, very important for you. So n is equal to 7. If n is equal to 7, what is the formula? If n is odd, 7 is nothing but odd number. If n is odd, median is the value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. That's why median is equal to the value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2th observation. That is equal to, okay, what is the n value? 7. 7 plus 1 by 2. 2th observation value of 7 plus 1 by 2th observation value of 7 plus 1 by 2th observation. That is equal to value of 8 by 2. 8 by 2. This is nothing but 8 by 2 is nothing but 4th observation. 4th observation. Value of 4th observation. What is the 4th observation? Just to see in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fourth observation. This is fourth observation. Fourth observation. Therefore, median is equal to 15. Median is equal to 15. Median is equal to. Find the median. Once again, one more example. This is nothing but n is even. So find the median of the following data. Solution ascending order. First ascending order. First, what is the smallest number in this? 12. 12 afterwards 14. Next 17. Next one is 18. Next 20. 23. 24. 25. 24, 25. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12, 14, 25, 23, 18, 17, 24, 20. Okay. Now, by using formula n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is 8. 8 is even. If n is even, median is equal to the average of the arithmetic mean of AM of n by tooth observation and n by 2 plus 1 observations. So, median is equal to the arithmetic mean of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observations.
No.
If n is even, n is equal to 8 even, so median formula, arithmetic mean of the values of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observations. So, n by 2, what is n by 2? 8 by 2. 8 by 2th observation. And what is n by 2 plus 1? N by 2 plus 8 by 2 plus 1th observations. So, is equal to n by 2. 8 by 2 means 4th observation. 4th and 8 by 2. 4 plus 1. 5th observations. Finally, the value, the AM of the values of 4th and 5th observations. What is 4th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. This is 4th observation. This is 5th observation. 4th observation, 5th observation. 4th observation is 18 and the 5th observation is 20. Therefore, median is equal to the 4th observation is 18 and the 5th observation is 20. The arithmetic mean of average of 18 plus 20 by 2. So, that is 38 by 2. That is 18 plus 20 by 2. 38 by 2 is equal to 19. 19 is the median. The third one is mode. Mode tells about most frequent value or most popular observation of data. For example, find the mode of the following data. Data is given. Check once 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Like median, write in ascending order. The smallest number is 70. The smallest number is 70. The next one is 76. The next one is 76. After that 76, 80. 80. Then after 80, 85. 85 1. Second 85. Third 85. Third 85. Next 95. 95. Next 95. After 95, 96. After 96, 100. After 100, 108. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here mode is very easy. Mode, most frequent value is 85. That's why mode is equal to 85. Mode is equal to 85. Example 2, find the mode of the following data. Data is given, arrange in ascending order. 2, smallest one is 2, one more 2. Next, 3, again 3, afterwards 4, next 5, 4, 5, 11, 13, 15, 11, 13, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, already circle. Now here mode is equal to most frequent values. Here 2 and 3 is there. That's why the mode is equal to 2, 3. Most frequent values 2 times, 3 2 times. That's why mode is equal to 2, 3. Assignment for these three models. Assignment 1, Roman number 1, Roman number 2, Roman number 3, total 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7 questions are there. All of you solve those questions. Mean, median and mode. Median is very, very important. Okay. Relationship among mean, median and mode. For a symmetrical distribution, the mean, median and mode are all equal. But a symmetrical distribution, we are having a formula. This formula is called as empirical formula. Empirical relationship between mean, median and mode. The formula is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This is the formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Find mode when mean is 5 and median is 6. Mean is equal to 5. Mean is 5. Median is 6. Given mean is equal to 5. Median is equal to 6. Mode is equal to question mark. Mode is equal to question mark. Now write the formula. Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 mean minus 2 mean. That is equal to 3 into median, 3 into 6 minus 2 into mean, 2 into 5, 2 into 5. 3 into 6, 2 into 5. That is equal to 6 3s are 18, 2 5s are 10 is equal to 8. Therefore, mode is equal to 8. Mode is equal to 8. Okay, one more example. Question number 2. Find mean. Find mean. Median is equal to 16 and mode is equal to 20. Median is equal to 16. Median is equal to 16. Mode is equal to 20. Let find median know, that's why. So find mean know, that's why mean is equal to x. Mean is equal to x. Write the formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. That implies mode is equal to 20. 3 into median. Median is equal to 16. Minus 2 into mean. Mean is equal to x. 2 into x. That implies 20 is equal to 48 minus 2x. 48 minus 2x. It is a linear equation in one variable. So 48 minus 20. 48 minus 20. This minus 2x will be transposed plus 2x. That implies 2x is equal to 28. 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 That is nothing but 2 into x is equal to 28. X is equal to 28 by 2. That implies x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14. Therefore, x is equal to 14 in the sense mean is equal to 14. Mean is equal to 14. Mean is equal to 14. One more question. Question number 3. Example 3. Find median when mean and mode is given. Here mean is equal to 30. Mode is equal to 21. Median is equal to x. Median is equal to x. Once again read the formula. Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. That implies mode is given 21. Median is not given. That's why 3 into x 3x minus 2 mean 2 into 30. That implies 21 is equal to 3x minus 60. Here 3x is equal to 21. This minus 60 will be transposed to plus 60. Plus 60. That is nothing but 81 is equal to 3x. 81 is equal to 3x. So that is nothing but 3x is equal to 81. 3x is equal to 81. X is equal to 81 by 3. That is nothing but x is equal to 27. X is equal to 27. That is nothing but median is equal to 27. Median is equal to 27. This is today's assignment 2. It belongs to empirical formula. 6 sums are given. All of you do these 6 sums and the given assignment 1 also and send to your class teacher.